By the way, where did you spend your holiday? Did you visit your grandparents at Bandung?
I visited with my family. How about you? Did you go to Lampung?
The plan was cancelled. I didn't go anywhere during the school holiday. What place did you visit?
We went to Puncak, Kawah Putih, and Trans Studio Bandung.
Wow, it's amazing. Which place did you think the most interesting?
Well, I think Trans Studio Bandung was very amazing.
Why? Where did you watch there?
I saw the attraction of the foreign sky. It's performed by an Italian, but I think Helena was the most very good.
What did you feel when you read it?
I felt very dizzy after reading it. You might look at my dizzying face.
Haha, that's why you are so annoying.
Come on, let's go to canteen. I will pay your bill.
Okay, thank you very much.
Don't mention it.
Hey Scar! Hey Ma! How are you?
I'm very well. How about you?
I'm fine, thank you. Anyway, where did you go last night?
I went to the park with my parents to Disney.
I saw you last night, but you look so hairy. Why were you so?
Oh, I went to try something new. My sister was
Oh, I see. I also saw a little girl. Maybe she was only 4 years. Is she your sister?
Yes, she is my younger sister.
She looked so beautiful. What did she wear? It looks like a party dress.
That's a Princess Elsa's gown.
Wow, did you mean Frozen?
Exactly. It was given by her grandma. By the way, I didn't see you. What were you doing?
I just want to refresh my mind.
With your family?
Yes, my family took me to the mall. So we went to cinema.
It must be a good movie. What did you watch?
We watched Cars too. My brothers loved that movie so much. We had been waiting that movie for a long time. That's amazing.
Cool. I was in the first story. But not far, the second one. Oh, I'm sorry, Scar. I have to go to canteen.
Okay, no problem. Would you mind to buy me some candy?
Okay, why not?
Thanks, I'm waiting for it.